Hey guys, so today on the shed sesh, we get a bollard installed. So let me ask you a question. What's the first thing, or one of the first things, you're going to do if your car gets pinched, stolen, whatever? Probably go and buy a bollard. Why wouldn't you? I contacted the guys at Platinum Bollards. They came out, hour later, job done. So I've got some footage of the guys putting it in. A couple of good blokes, knocked it over in about an hour. Okay, so there she is. Excuse the state of the shed. As you saw in the last video, we've got things going on in there. So there is the bollard. Now, right now, I'll let you know, look at that little bad boy right there. Lovely, Australian made. The guys make it at their factory in Derrimut, I think you said. So always good to support a bit of Australian manufacture. So pretty easy stuff. Set of keys. Job done. That releases a pin down the bottom, and I'll be able to do this with one hand. Oh, there we go. I said it was like 16 kilos. There it is. It's in there, drying, and they even give you a storage rack for it too. And a couple of places. Bloody fantastic. I've no idea whether you get cheaper insurance with this type of thing on the cars, but I might give them a ring and find out, eh? There we go. Literally took them an hour to do. Very quick, very professional. Cleaned up after themselves. It was really good, really good. So, and to boot, it's an Australian product, manufactured in Australia. Extremely extremely happy. So that's it from me, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you like it, hit like and subscribe. If you do contact Platinum Bollards, just let him know. Let him know you saw it through the shed sesh, and at least he knows it's coming from me. Anyway, as I said, Australian made product. Look them up on Facebook and Instagram. I'll chuck the links down below, and while you're down below, hit the like and subscribe button. All right, guys. As always, love your work. Get in the shed.